everyone, this is Abhijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Abhijit. At first of all, I'm wishing you all a very happy new year. Today I will show you to make paper desk calendar. So let's get started. First of all, I am taking a 5x21 cm craft paper. Now marking 1 cm on this side and using a pen and again marking on this line. Now fold this edge. Now vertically fold this paper in 4 parts. Now using glue, attach the 1 cm edge with this other side. Keep it aside, and there I am taking a 7x7 cm craft paper. Mark 1 cm in each side. Mark again with the pen. Cut all the corners. And fold the edges. I made one more like this. Now I attach these two pieces with the box using glue. I made one more box like that. I wrote some numbers on a white paper and cut them in size. Now paste all the numbers on the two boxes. Now in the next step, I am taking a 7x10 cm paper and marking 1 cm on this side. Fold the edge and again fold it in 4 parts. With glue, join the two sides. Now I am taking a 3x3 cm paper, fold it in half and vertically fold the two edges to the middle. Make one more like it. Join them each other with glue. And attach this in the two sides. Now I am writing the name of the months on the four sides of the box with sketch pen. You can also use any other pen. I made two more like this. Keep all the boxes aside. In the next step, I am taking a 17 into 20 cm paper and mark 5 cm on each side. And mark again with the pen. Now cut the lines and fold the other lines. And using the glue, join the corner pieces with the middle pieces. Now it made a box. Now put the month box into it and the number box on those. I wrote 2021 on a white paper and cut it in a shape and a background paper. Now at least paste it on the box. Our desk calendar is ready. If you like my video, please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel